Tiny tech, big impact semiconductors in our world. Semiconductors are everywhere. They are the brains of our phones, computers, and cars. Semiconductors are materials that conduct electricity better than insulators, but not as well as conductors. This unique property allows them to control the flow of electricity, making them essential for modern electronics. Without semiconductors, our world would be a very different place. We wouldn't have smartphones, laptops, or even the internet as we know it. Semiconductors have revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. These tiny components have a huge impact on our lives. As technology advances, so too does the demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient semiconductors. Transistors, the heart of electronics. Transistors are the fundamental building blocks of modern electronics. They are tiny switches that control the flow of electricity. Transistors are made of semiconductor materials, typically silicon. A transistor has three terminals: the source, the gate, and the drain. By applying a small voltage to the gate, we can control a much larger current flowing between the source and drain. This ability to amplify signals is what makes transistors so useful. Transistors are used in almost every electronic device imaginable. They are found in computers, smartphones, televisions, and even cars. The development of the transistor was a major breakthrough in electronics, paving the way for the digital age. Insulators, the unsung heroes of semiconductor devices. Insulating films play a critical role in the performance and reliability of transistors. These thin layers of non-conductive material act as barriers, preventing electrical leakage and ensuring that current flows only where it's supposed to. Imagine a water pipe with tiny valves controlling the flow. The insulating film acts like the pipe walls, keeping the water, electricity flowing in the right direction. Without these barriers, transistors wouldn't function properly. Insulating films are essential for maintaining the stability and efficiency of transistors. They prevent short circuits and ensure the long-term reliability of electronic devices. The quality and performance of these insulating films directly impact the overall performance of the device. Oxide semiconductors, a new era in electronics. Oxide semiconductors are a promising new class of materials for use in transistors. They offer several advantages over traditional silicon-based semiconductors, including higher electron mobility and lower manufacturing costs. These materials have the potential to revolutionize electronics, leading to faster, more efficient, and more affordable devices. Oxide semiconductors are already being used in some displays, and their applications are rapidly expanding. However, there are challenges in using oxide semiconductors in transistors. One significant challenge is the formation of voids in the insulating films used in these devices. The challenge of voids: weak links in the chain. Voids are tiny gaps or holes that can form in the insulating films used in transistors. These voids can cause a number of problems, including reduced performance, increased power consumption, and even device failure. Think of a bridge with weak spots in its structure. Voids in insulating films are like these weak spots, making the transistor more susceptible to failure. These voids can act as pathways for electrical leakage, compromising the transistor's ability to control the flow of current. This leakage can lead to reduced performance and increased power consumption. Silicon nitride, the void stopper. To address the issue of void formation, researchers are exploring the use of silicon nitride films as interlayer insulators. Silicon nitride is a material known for its high dielectric strength and ability to suppress void propagation. Silicon nitride acts like a reinforcing mesh within the insulating film, preventing voids from growing and spreading. This protective layer ensures the integrity of the insulating film, improving the transistor's reliability. By using silicon nitride, manufacturers can create transistors that are less prone to failure and offer improved performance. This innovation is a significant step towards more reliable and efficient electronics. A more reliable future: the impact of advanced insulating films. The development of advanced insulating films, such as those using silicon nitride, is crucial for enhancing the reliability and performance of semiconductor devices. These innovations are driving the miniaturization and efficiency of electronics. As we rely more and more on electronic devices, the demand for smaller, faster, and more reliable semiconductors continues to grow. Advanced insulating films are essential for meeting this demand. These innovations are not only making our devices better, but they are also enabling the development of entirely new technologies. From self-driving cars to advanced medical devices, the future of electronics is being shaped by advancements in semiconductor technology. Beyond silicon, exploring new semiconductor materials. While silicon has been the dominant material in semiconductors for decades, researchers are actively exploring new materials with even better properties. These new materials could lead to even faster, more powerful, and more energy-efficient devices. Materials like graphene and carbon nanotubes hold immense potential for the future of electronics. These materials possess unique electrical properties that could revolutionize computing, communication, and energy storage. The search for new and improved semiconductor materials is driven by the ever-increasing demand for faster, smaller, and more efficient devices. The future of electronics lies in the discovery and development of materials that can push the boundaries of what's possible. The future is bright. Advancements in semiconductor technology. The field of semiconductor technology is constantly evolving. Researchers are continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing new materials, processes, and designs. These advancements are leading to smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient devices, enabling the development of new and innovative technologies that are changing the world. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, the future of electronics is filled with exciting possibilities. The relentless pursuit of miniaturization and performance improvements is driving innovation in the semiconductor industry, leading to a future where electronics are more powerful, versatile, and integrated into our lives than ever before. The role of research and development in semiconductor innovation. Research and development play a critical role in driving innovation in the semiconductor industry. Companies and research institutions around the world are investing heavily in developing new materials, processes, and designs. This constant drive for innovation is essential for meeting the growing demand for smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient devices. Government funding and collaboration between industry and academia are also crucial for supporting this research and development. The future of electronics relies on continued investment in research and development. By supporting these efforts, we can ensure that the semiconductor industry continues to innovate and drive technological progress. Conclusion: semiconductors, powering the future. Semiconductors are the foundation of modern electronics, and their importance will only continue to grow in the years to come. From smartphones and computers to cars and medical devices, these tiny components are powering the future. As technology continues to advance, the demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient semiconductors will only increase. The development of new materials, processes, and designs will be essential for meeting this demand and driving innovation. The future of electronics is bright, and semiconductors will be at the heart of it. By continuing to invest in research and development, we can unlock the full potential of these amazing materials and create a better future for everyone.